In this video you are going to see what is inside in the Imac M1. Colors: blue, green, pink, silver, yellow, orange, purple. Chip: Apple M1 chip. 8-core CPU with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. 7-core GPU, 8-core GPU, 16-core neural engine. Storage: 256 GB SSD or 512 GB SSD. Memory: 8 GB unified memory, configurable to 16 GB unified memory. Display: 24-inch 4.5K Retina display, 4480 by 2520 resolution at 218 pixels per inch with support for 1 billion colors. 500 nits brightness, wide color, P3, True Tone technology. Actual diagonal screen size is 23.5 inch. Camera: 1080p FaceTime HD camera with M1 image signal processor. Video support: simultaneously supports full native resolution on the built-in display at 1 billion colors and one external display with up to 6K resolution at 60 Hz. Audio: high-fidelity 6-speaker system with force-cancelling woofers, wide stereo sound, support for spatial audio when playing video with Dolby Atmos. Studio quality 3-mic array with high signal-to-noise ratio and directional beamforming. Support for Hey Siri. Connections and expansion: 2 Thunderbolt, USB 4 ports with support for O DisplayPort, O Thunderbolt 3, up to 40 GB second, USB 4, up to 40 GB second, USB 3.1 Gen 2, up to 10 GB second, Thunderbolt 2, HDMI, DVI, and VGA supported using adapters, sold separately. 3.5mm headphone jack, Gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB 3 ports, up to 10 GB second. Input: Magic Keyboard, Magic Mouse, configurable with Magic Keyboard with Touch ID, Magic Keyboard with Touch ID and numeric keypad, Magic Trackpad. Operating System: Mac Operation System. Mac Operation System is the most advanced desktop operating system in the world. Mac Operation System Big Sur introduces a bold new design and major updates to apps, taking Mac Operating System to a new level of power and beauty. Learn more about latest operating system. In the box: iMac, Magic Keyboard, Magic Mouse, 143 watts power adapter, power cord, 2 meters, USB-C to Lightning cable.
If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.